Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to make our egg fried Chinese rice with the twist. And right now we're going to begin by making our egg. Yeah, we're going to pour in a little bit of oil. Yeah, and then we're going to make our egg. Yeah, then we pour in our egg. As you can see, we make it large in the pan so that it can cook very well. Yeah, keep pouring it inside. Yeah, now egg is almost ready, and after that we're going to scramble it. Going to scramble the egg. Yeah, and that's our egg. Yeah, we're gonna put in that is our pan. Yeah, and I'm going to put in a little bit of oil. So we put in 2 tablespoons of oil, and then we're going to pour in our onions, garlic, let the onion get to the garlic get to the brownish color. Pour in our tomatoes. So as our tomatoes get ready, right now we're going to put in our rosemary. Yeah, we're using fresh rosemary. Adds aroma to the rice, so we're using it. Now you need to put in some little bit of chili flakes. Little. Just put in a quarter teaspoon. Quarter teaspoon of the chili flakes. Yeah. And then you keep stirring. Yeah, I'm going to add a little water. And then you keep stirring. We're going to add our rice to this sauce. Yeah, put in our rice. I'm using long grain rice, preferably because it doesn't stick and it's got good rice. That's natural rice, but you can use any other type of rice. Yeah, then you stir. Yeah, you can add our scrambled eggs to the rice. As you can see, our scrambled eggs. And then a little bit of pineapple. A little bit of pineapple. Yeah, as you can see, and the mist here. Yeah, and we're going to add our coconut oil, using a teaspoon of coconut oil to it. Also adds taste and aroma to the rice, and it's a healthier alternative for soy sauce. Yeah. As you can see, yeah, and it keeps stirring. Yeah, it also adds an aroma to it. And then lastly, we're going to put our toppings to the rice. We're going to put carrots and green pepper to the rice. We're going to add our toppings. Yeah, our rice is ready, as you can see. We use boiled rice, carrots. You need to add carrots to it. Yeah, we put carrots to it as a topping. Yeah, makes it look so yummy. Yeah. Yeah, and then our green pepper also the topping. And our rice is ready, as you can see. And for this, I'm going to put the recipe in the description. Please always make sure to check the description. I always put the receipts. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that is our Chinese fried rice with a twist. Yeah. Yeah, so our rice is ready to serve, and we're going to taste it. Yummy. Yeah, it's cooked. Yummy, very yummy. See? Isn't it yummy?